Coronavirus, is it what you think it is? What are you thinking? Where and how far is your thought? Are you inside still somebody else's thought? Them telling you what it is? Or are you into your own thought and your own knowledge and decoding your own codes? Do you know who you are now? Do you feel who you are now? This is not the corona time. This, my love, is the crowning. Yes, the very ascension you've been waiting for. It is already happening. So if you're drinking that tequila and having fun and saying like, hey, I'll put it off for another day or two, it's okay. It's okay. Do your thing. Stay where you are. Because it's all about happiness. And if that place makes you happy, fully loaded happy, be there. And it's got nothing to do with tequila. Alcohol was never a bad thing. The bad thing was the synthetics that are put inside, and what the people who were drinking ate. Their minds were not themselves. So they became enslaved to something they just could not understand because they were just giving letters of words instead of complete words. Now, child, we are ascending. The lights are on. Crowns on. Kings and queens. Gather yours. Gather yours. Kinako. Kinako. Better have those candles. But then again, you are light. So just light up. Rising. And if you still don't get it, watch movies like Jim Carrey. What do you call it? Truman's Show. Was another movie. It was a kind of like comedy with Rihanna in it, and there was like the guy was saying, "Rihanna, take your panties off," and Rihanna was like, "No, I'm gonna take my panties off," something like that. And it's got some cool characters, and end up with like end of the world, and the only one who rose were actually the one who had compassion and love. But it was not love. It was not love like you see it and say, let me do it, and then and you just get halfway, you rise halfway, and then you just flop down. It has to be pure. It has to be like the taste of your punana. That kind of love. I love you.